Hello guys, so our lesson for today is dividing fractions. So we have here an example of 3, 6 divided by 4, 12. So these are the steps of dividing fractions. First, keep. Second, switch. Third, flip. And fourth, multiply. And fifth, simplify. So okay guys, so first step, keep the 3, 6. And then second step, switch the divide to multiply. And third step is flip. So flip. And fourth step is multiply. So 3 times 12 is 36. 6 times 4 is 24. So 36 and 24, this is an example of improper fraction. So we are going to divide it. So divide pala guys. Sorry. 36 and 24. Wag na, don't mind this line guys, because it's a mistake. So 36 divided by 24, 1, 24. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So remainder 12. Again guys, this is the formula of improper fraction going to mixed fraction. So answer, remainder, and divisor, or dividend, or divisor or denominator. So then guys, answer 1, remainder which is 2, 12. Sorry, I mean 12. Divisor or denominator which is 24. Guys, so this is an example of proper fraction. So we will find the GCF. It's on the top because we add no space. So 12 and 24. I think it is 2. So 12 divided by 6 is 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. So another guys, prime number again. So 2 again. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then guys, prime number again. Then I guess it was 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 is 2. Guys, there is no prime number that can be the divisor on this dividend. So guys, 2 times 2 times 3 equals 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So guys, 12 is our GCF. So divided by 12 guys, divided by 12. So copy the 1. Then 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So guys, this is our final answer. I will give you another example guys. Okay guys, so this is another example. So 3/6 divided by 4/16. Again guys, these are the steps of the steps of dividing fractions are: first, keep; second, switch; third, flip; fourth, multiply; and fifth, simplify if possible. So guys, flip, I keep; switch to multiply; and then flip. Okay guys, so that is the question. So 3 times 16. If we can solve this problem, we can use this method guys. It is called multiplying method. So 16, 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So guys, 48. So write down the 48 like that. Then 6 times 4 is 24. Again guys, this is an example of improper fraction. If it is improper fraction, we are gonna divide it guys. So 48, 24. So guys, 48 divided by 24 is 2. 2 times 24 is 48. Subtract guys, 0. So 0 remainder. Again guys, this is the formula of improper fraction, going to be mixed fraction. A answer, remainder, and then divisor or dividend or denominator. So guys, if it has no remainder, then this improper fraction we're gonna be a whole number. So the answer is 2. Okay guys, this is the end of our lesson. Bye bye.